Welcome back everyone to this week's episode. My name is Noah Ward, your Sarasota real estate agent. If you've been watching this YouTube channel for a little bit, you have seen that we specialize in real estate new construction and real estate development. This week we are going to be doing a little bit something different and actually sharing with you a house tour. So we are in the community of Artistry, built by Kolter Homes. They are like a tract home builder here in Sarasota, except they are not really a tract home builder. They stand out a lot more compared to the other tract homes here in Sarasota. So we'll be going over those differences in this video. But today we are going to be walking through the Gogh Model here. It is going to be a 3,000 square foot house, 3 beds with the option of a 4th bedroom to be added, 3 bedrooms, and it is a single level. So you guys will see what it looks like on the inside. But as we walk through just this neighborhood here, you'll notice how quiet it is. You'll also notice that these houses are a little bit further apart, which sets them also apart from the rest of these tract house builders compared to like Neil and My Homes, where their houses are about 12 to 15 feet apart. As you can see, these houses are a little bit further apart, which I really love about this community. But before we jump in and share with you what the Gogh Model is, whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, that is our team's specialty, is helping out-of-state buyers just like yourself make the move as smooth as possible. And to help you with that, we have created a buyer's relocation guide for Sarasota. So I'll throw it up right here, but you guys can click the link down in the description and that will take you guys to the 100% free resource so that you guys can look at, some of the best restaurants, where to stay, some of the best hotels, what are the top 10 things to do in Sarasota, and so much more. Really get a perspective from a Sarasota resident. So with all that being said, let's jump in and let's share with you the Gogh Model. Located just east of I-75, this Artistry community by Kolter Homes is a very unique and standout community within the Sarasota area. So here at Artistry, you will find that nearly every house is located on a body of water and also having an amazing water view. And on top of that, these lots are quite a bit wider and longer than most other tract home builders here in Sarasota County. So this Gogh Model we are going to be looking at today has a perfect open concept floor plan that can be customizable to fit your family. Whether you're looking to have a 4th bedroom, that can be added, and there's a few other things that can be changed and modified with this floor plan. So with the Gogh floor plan, you can really count on the bedrooms being of spacious size, and also not only are the bedrooms going to be of good size, but there is an absolutely perfect area for entertaining in the great room and also in the outdoor area, as you will see in this video. So now that we've given you a little bit of an overview of the Gogh floor plan, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. So as we wrap up this house tour of the Van Gogh floor plan, if you have any questions about this house or even the artistry community in general, we would be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions. Also, if you are looking to move into the Sarasota area, don't forget to check out our 100% free guide in the description down below so that you guys can learn a little bit more about the Sarasota area without actually having to book a flight to visit. So, with all that being said, we look forward to seeing you guys all next week on our upcoming video.